Hello! Maganda na po sa inyo lahat. Sandali lang. Tanggalin mo na yung forma, sandali.
Yes!
Yan. Oh! Good to be back!
His best you ever is also authentic. Very good. Now, we are so excited to have you both here with us today. We wanted to get to know you guys a little bit more. Based off of that ad, how do you feel? I want to know your first thoughts about seeing the TVC for the first time.
I was so happy to see the ad. I hope it looked good. I knew it was sexy.
Yes.
And we were ready. We were ready for that ad.
Yes,
Yeah.
that was great. And what about you?
Yeah, ganun ang feeling ko. There was always pressure, but I'm happy. You guys just don't know kung ano yung journey na to, but it's still ongoing. But I want to thank Century. Okay, pero masama natin yung ad, no? Masaya. You know, unang-una sa lahat, masaya ako na kasama ko si Richard. First time namin na magkasama sa isang ad. In the 90s, you know, he had his own world, and I had my own, you know, tapos ngayon, nakakatuwa lang na yung pag-ikot na po talaga sa dulo nagkasama rin kami together. Parang pinag-iingat, magpapayat kayo uli. So ito kami, masaya kami, we were able to do the ad. Century, thank you very much.
No, it was fun for me and Aga. Paano kasi, it was really a challenge. You know, when we started this, I don't know if you have photos of when we started, medyo we were on the bigger side. You know? But it was really a challenge that was given to us by Century. So si Aga had to lose weight, ako rin I had to lose weight. And it's not easy, but it was fun.
Masaya siya.
I'm like, yes, go on. I'm just like listening. Thank you.
Alam niyo naman siguro lahat, in the 90s, 2000, 2010, 2015, yung mga katawan namin. And then, that was history, no? And then, umabot ako ng 260 pounds talaga at mga hours. And I'm 5'8", 5'9", 5'10". When I was younger, I was taller. For some strange reason, ngayon, sumat ako, 5'8". Siguro yung weight na dinala ko for how many years, binabahay yung height ko. So, gano'n, 260 pounds ang inabot ko. So, sa amin, napakalaki yung bagay na nangyari na ito. No? So, really, Century, thank you very much for challenging us. And thank you for having us with you. Maraming salamat. And really, I'm also the happiest really to have worked with a good friend of mine, Mr. Richard Gomez.
So is that what motivated you guys to like jump to the challenge? Like knowing that the two of you would be together?
It was fun kasi yung usap kami ni Aga. The last project we did together, no, when we were younger, we ginawa tayong movie before, yung sa Regal.
Sa Regal, 80s yun, man.
80s yun.
Oo. Mga lost days natin ngayon. Kasi nag-prime kami, 90s talaga yung prime namin. Yung prime namin, nag-iwalay na kami yan. Parang ganun ang story niya. Diba? May Richard Gomez kaya, pero kang tall, dark, and handsome. Yan! Donkey! Ako, yun na.
Two different brands.
Di ba na? Two different brands.
Yes, two different brands of hands.
And now together in one brand.
Yeah, don't you love that? So let's talk a little bit about your fitness motivations. What motivated you guys to keep going? Because how long was that? Like 10 months?
About almost 10
About
months,
almost 10 months.
You know what was difficult was starting it.
Oh yes.
No, you know, we're not teenagers anymore. So hindi na kami teenagers. So we're a little older than teenagers. So when the challenge came in, sabi namin, kaya ba natin to? And then if you keep on watching IG, if you keep on watching informations, the older you get, the more fit you have to be.
Yes.
Correct?
That's true.
Yes.
That's
Eating
absolutely
the right
true.
food, doing doing the proper exercises, keeping an active lifestyle is very important to longevity. Kasi yun naman yung gusto namin ni Aga. Di ba? Gusto namin makita pa namin yung... Hindi, gusto ko makita lumaki kaya anak natin.
Yo, that's right. Yeah, that's what they say, right? Like, will you? Like, I saw a quote online that said, "You will die for the people that you love, right? But will you live for them,
Oh, you have to.
right? Will you live for them?"
Tsaka, siguro sa lahat, madami mga nakarelate ito ng mga overweight or struggling sa mga ganyan. It was difficult. Parang all these years, I was always in hiding. I would have been more busier if not for my weight. I hit 260, which ang dapat kong weight is 170. So now I'm down to 200. So I have 30 more to go. And sinabi na namin, as a matter of fact, sabi ko kay Goma, sometimes nakaka-straight parang sayang. Ang ganda sana nito. Kung labas natin dito, nakahulog tayo. Diba? Pero sabi namin, let's save that for next year.
Gumuguhit pa lang ulit eh. Hindi ka sila yung more time para lumabas pa sideways. Pababa pa lang eh.
Kumukote na eh.
Oo.
Di ba? Tsaka iba rin ang size ng katalon natin. Pero nakakatawa talaga, you guys, sa lahat mga tao na sa labas dito, sa loob, there's no deadline, you just gotta do it really, and learn about it, and then, mahirap magtago sa buhay dahil sa katawan natin. Yung isip really, parang pa rin itong mahilig ng fat shame sa atin, but, well, we deserve it, Eh, pinabayaan natin ang katawan natin, but I'm just happy that we're here now. We're halfway there. Sabi nga, Gomes, diba? We're getting there.
We're getting
there. We're getting there.
But more than anything, Aga, we've always been active. Yes. No?
I was just about to ask, actually.
I was very
Yes.
much into cycling. It bikes a lot. Ako, I play a lot of badminton. I still do my fencing thing. Except that this was really a challenge to lose more weight. Kasi I reached a point na yun yung mga 36 ko na pantalon, pinamili ko na eh. Oo, hindi kasi, because lumaki na ako eh. Naging 38, sabi ko 38, bigat na nito. And then I reached a point na tumitingin na ako sa 39, 40.
Inabot kayo, boss.
40 ko. Teka, 40, buti na dumating yung century. Kasi today, 34 sinusuot ko eh.
Di ba? Hindi din eh.
May proof yan ha. Mga check out.
Huwag mo lang pa-check. Sasabihin ko pa naman, 30 yung suit ko.
So super bad talaga, diba? What a challenge it was.
Yung super bad pa yan, happens every 3 years ba yan? Every 2. Interesting.
Ano, next year.
Next year. Next year ba yan? Next year ba? Wow! I lost 50 pounds. It was another 52 years.
Yun.
Super bad. Tumatayo ba rin?